Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from CAT S53 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, click on Not Now if you want to. In order to close it, tap on OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of CAT's smartphone and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then choose Close this window and go back to CAT's smartphone. You can finally tap on all of those categories located at the top to choose files that you wish to transfer. You can pick multiple ones by choosing those dots at the top left corners, or just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one. Whatever you want to do, when you're ready, choose Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. You can also just input this key in Input key section and connect by hitting Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!